Now Central Oregon's local alert weather with Katie Suniga.
I hope you are okay with today's temperatures because this is where we are going to be. Upper 50s to low 60s for several days. In fact, our entire 7-day forecast doesn't get us above those low, maybe to mid 60s, depending on where you are. Now, we are looking at a freeze warning just in the area you can see here in purple within Central Oregon. It starts tonight at 2 a.m. and just goes until 9 a.m. That's when we're expecting to see those really cold, freezing temperatures just in this part of the region. But just because it ends does not mean we are warming up. We need to get used to these cooler temperatures. Look at the state in a whole. Pretty much all of us are in the 50s and low 60s. So we are all sitting in very cool air and will be for several days. Now, we're not seeing that wind chill factor being put into this because our winds have been on the lower side, that 5 to 10 mile per hour range. And now that the system has come in, the trough has moved on through, not expecting those to pick up. Now, we do have another chance for rain on Sunday. We could see a change at that point. On the satellite radar image, we have had quite the variable cloud cover today. We went from sunny skies to partly cloudy skies. We're still seeing partly cloudy skies when we take a look at the cameras across the Cascades. You can see those clouds through here. But when you check other areas across the region, like out in Prineville, you see completely clear skies. And then here in Bend, we've cleared up just a bit, but we do still have a few clouds there across the region. This is what it's going to be for us the entire week. Sometimes we'll be clear, sometimes we'll have some clouds. Some areas will be clear, other areas will have some clouds. We do have this cold air mass that is in the process of moving, and it's starting to go back up into Canada. However, as we go from Thursday to Friday, this goes back up and another cool air mass drops. And if you noticed, we do not move within this trough of low pressure. And this is where we're seeing those lighter wind possibilities. You can see our wind lines here, nice and spread apart. So that's not where the winds are picking up. But as this trough moves out, you can see the much faster wind possibility there. And that's when we could see some additional showers. Taking a look at Sunday, we go through the week, few clouds clear, few clouds clear. That's what we're talking about is the pattern. By the time we get to Sunday, you will see this chance for rain coming in. This starts to come all the way down the Cascades. It is bringing us right now the first time I have seen a possibility for snow within city limits. We're definitely going to see the possibility along the Cascades, but we could have our first few snowflakes falling within the region. Temperatures, here we are right now. As I mentioned, get used to them. Get used to these overnight temperatures you're about to see dropping down into the low 30s in Redmond tonight, and even chillier, obviously, when you look at those higher elevations, quite a bit of the region in the 20s. We may even see a few teen temperatures in the higher elevations in La Pine. Tomorrow, high 50s, low 60s. This is slightly warmer than today. We do carry those temperatures with us into Saturday, maybe even Sunday. But take a look at Monday. We drop down for the first time this season into the low 50s.